it's a special spot. I mean, in the very beginning, this was my refuge. On Sam's bench, he wrote me this poem, and this was the last line of the poem. When the trees are bare of leaves, I'll bring you the sun and whisper you a sweet breeze. And then Ben's, I thought about what do I want to do, but I thought he loved his children so much, and so I put Austin, Isabel, Adam, and Kaylee, Fly High, Dragonfly, and Benjamin. These are my two boys. This is great because this has got all of us. I guess Mother's Day, what it means to me, I have a lot of gratitude for being a mother to my two sons, and I feel their spirit. And on Mother's Day, I usually come out here to the bench and visit with them. And, it's taken on a different meaning, but, the bottom line is they were my boys, men, and I loved them dearly.